I'm Chef Annabelle and today we are going to be making a chocolate chip mug cake. So first you will need a mug, and the bigger the better. Then you will need your ingredients: 4 tablespoons of self-raising flour, 4 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and a medium egg. Then add them in. Then add your vegetable oil, three tablespoons of milk, and a couple of drops of vanilla extract. Then stir again. Then for my other ingredient, I'm going to be adding some chocolate chips. You can add some nuts or something else. And then stir. Then you're going to put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. And make sure that the timer is set to 2 minutes. And if it isn't rose enough, then set it for another 30 seconds. Then, when it's all done, I'm going to be adding some chocolate buttons, and for that I'm going to add some icing. So, while you're waiting, you could do a bit of tidying up. So I'm just going to put this in here. Ooh, oh my god, that's gone really high. It's gone to the top, mine has. Wow. So still waiting for a bit. So I'm going to just take it out. Wow. That's a big mug as well. Wow. So I'm going to wait for it to cool for a bit because it's not. Now I'm going to add the icing. Okay, so now I'm going to put some chocolate buttons on just for the topping. And there's 2 left. I'm going to get a fork to try it. That's amazing. Now let me take one more. Would you like to try some, Mum?
Oh, that'd be lovely, thank you.
Woo. Nice. Is it nice, Mum?
It's very nice, it's lovely. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.